I made this pretty much with Claude code. And the best part, no graphic design, no After Effects, no large bill, just a prompt and back and forth with Claude. And by the way, I'm Marlon and I do this AI stuff all day long. So in the next few moments, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create pretty much any graphic design and the most important part, things you need to download so that you can take full advantage of what I'm gonna show you that not too many people talk about. All right, so we're gonna create a subscription overlay for content. Nonetheless, we're just gonna call upon Hyperframes to create a 6-second subscription overlay composition. I think you'll be very surprised if you haven't used Hyperframes, the capabilities of it. It's really cool, the stuff you can do now. And instead of hiring a graphic designer, now you can use Hyperframes and you can save yourself hundreds of dollars. Now to actually view this, all we're gonna do is just preview. We have the bell notification up top. We have the check mark. That looks good to me. So this is Hyperframes. This is where a majority of it starts from. You're just gonna go get started, and here is kind of the complete playbook and how to really use this. Now, lucky for you, they have Hyperframes skills. You're gonna copy this and go into any coding agent and then just essentially install it. So we're just in a Hyperframes test folder. Now we're gonna open up Claude Code and we're just going to install the skills. So that's step number one. You do wanna download, again, Node.js if you don't have it already, and then FFmpeg if you don't have that already as well. I'm on a Mac, so to actually download something of this nature, you're just gonna go brew install, and then whatever you're trying to install. So it'd be brew install Node.js. So as you can see, it would actually just be brew install node.node.js. And we would do brew install ffmpeg, okay? And you can install it that way. So you actually want to download Homebrew. If you don't have that, that makes your life a lot easier. So Brew is actually just the project manager for Mac. This wasn't the case for Mac, I believe, prior to 209. Since then, you can just use this, and it's very simple instead of going, again, to different tabs and downloading them separately, just a waste of time. So do it that way. Now let's actually create something. Help me create an app showcase for this app here. So Immediate realizes, obviously it is a website. I'll capture the site and build a Hyperframes video showcase for it. Lovely. We're going to then download the website to Hyperframes skill, starting step 1, step 2, step 3, X, Y, and Z. So it actually builds something for us. You could probably just provide it with the raw assets as well. We're not going to do that. We're just going to give it the website because that's the easiest thing. And then we'll see how it looks. So if we look to the right here, we do have our Vizancia project. There's two ways you can actually go about starting something new, just natural language, hey, start something new for me or a new video. And then the other one is just to command it. Okay, there is a command for it. As you can see here, we're just going through these steps. It is planning for it. It is actually updating some of the to-dos here. I'm actually very excited to see what this builds for us. Now, if you want to learn AI the fun way, link down below to the app you can download on the App Store. 100% free. So after about 5+ minutes, this one did take a little longer because it is a little bit more advanced. We have files, we have a design MD script, storyboard, and 0 errors. So localhost, and let's watch this. This I love. I think this is really cool. Vizancia, boom, we have Vizancia iOS. We have all this good stuff coming through that is within the app. And it pulled all this from the website, which is great. I think all this looks really, really good. And again, within a matter of less than 10 minutes, we have something that we can, use. And then let's just render. If you were to use it, for instance, it's going to render MP4 here. Lovely. Okay, great. So that is the output there. Also, you can see renders in the corner, and I can download that. Perfect. And then we can go use it for anything. So I hope you found that very useful. Subscribe for more content. As always, stay human, and I'll see you next time.